INTIMIDATE.com if you're new to the channel. That's my Lamborghini. I'm Lambro Steve. And if you watched the previous video, I showed up to Vegas to get my car and the battery was dead. So I hooked up this trickle charger. It wouldn't charge it. Then I had my Uber driver hook up his Chevy Malibu. It wouldn't work. Gosh, he just left 5 minutes ago. He'd be so thrilled to know that I got this sucker going. So I found a second charger that actually had something in it. And woo! Fired it up. So yeah! We're back in business, people. So I don't know what I'm gonna do though, because I have to park it in the hotel tonight, or at the hotel tonight. And I'm gonna have to make sure this battery gets super charged up. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to probably go haul around town, or maybe I'll call Houston over at Royal. Houston might be calling you at Royalty to see what we can figure out. But in the meantime, maybe I'll take it by. Man, I need to leave to drive to Denver tomorrow. I'm so scared. I don't want my battery to die overnight and not have a way to jump it. So I'm gonna have to go. What I'll have to do is go buy one of those bad boy jumpers like this, except maybe smaller. And I'll come back. So stick around and see what the shenanigans are. I'm gonna go see Rodney Carrington tonight at the MGM, and then hit the road to go to Denver tomorrow. I'll be back. Okay, Lambros, Chronicles of the Huracan battery problem. I got to MGM, if you can't tell. Here I am. And pulled up to valet, and the thing freaking died again. So luckily, they're gonna put it in a parking spot over here where we can access it in the morning, and tomorrow I'm gonna have to get it jumped again probably, and then run it to Lamborghini North LA. So, or not to North LA, Lamborghini Las Vegas. So stick around. Probably tomorrow morning I'll start back up and we'll see what happens. See ya. Okay, Lambros, we are, I don't know if you can see very well, but we're in Las Vegas on the Strip, and I don't really know what's going on here, but they're like roping off, the cops are like roping off this area right here. I don't know what happened. There's like cops everywhere. They're shutting this sucker down. So I don't know if there's like a robbery or a shooting or what the heck's going on, but it's like the world's largest gift shop, and they're like putting police tape all the way around it. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it's a murder. Maybe it's a homicide, a 187. But I'm trying to get to In-N-Out Burger. I'm driving my car, trying to drive it for like 2 hours so that the battery gets charged up. So don't really know what's going on, but it's not looking like it's too bad. There's cops everywhere. Maybe somebody robbed the place. Well, let's go find In-N-Out Burger, people. Later. Whoa, let's get some light, boys. Whoa, what up, Lambros? All right, here's the deal. I went ahead and started the car downstairs. Gosh, that is bright. Let me see if I can turn this down. I started the car downstairs at MGM and just left it running for like an hour, locked it up, went to the room, showered, chilled, and now I'm meeting AJ. He's gonna go to Rodney Carrington with me. It's one of my Lambros. And so I've literally had the car running for probably about 2.5 hours now, because I've been driving on the Strip. I went and ate, left it running while I was eating. And at this point, the car's been running for, like I said, a couple hours, maybe 2.5 hours. And we're just waiting on AJ to get here with his twin turbo Huracan. So I'm kind of staged around the corner from where I'm meeting him. He's supposed to be here 2 minutes ago. So I'm gonna roll over to where our spot is, and we'll see if there's a twin turbo Huracan hanging out. Turns out I was on the wrong side, but that's okay. AJ's coming to find me, and you can hear it. That's a twin turbo Huracan rolling up right now. Oh yeah, nice. It's hot. What's up, buddy? What's happening, man? Oh my God, these wheels! What the hell?
3Ps HREs.
Dude, these are badass. It's gold. Love it.
What's up,
man? How are you?
How are you? Good.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
How's
I
it
mean,
going?
it's
You're
good.
vlogging? Oh, are you vlogging?
So I met this guy only on the Lamborghini World Club chat.
That's right.
And then
we actually officially met like this, but we met prior at a cruise.
Oh, we did?
In Vegas.
Oh, I just
yeah.
I
When
guess
you
I
were
don't
doing
remember.
I think it was like a Corsa rally.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. And this was like 2 years ago.
So we're gonna go to MGM.
That's right.
And go see Rodney Carrington. But in the meantime, I guess we'll rip up the strip.
Yeah, let's fuck it up.
And I'll have to get behind
it.
I can bleep it. It's all good. So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, boys and girls, we are now behind AJ in the twin turbo Huracan. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Oh, that. Wow. You just hear those turbos. The freaking wheels are the best.
Hey.
Yeah.
I actually need gas.
Okay. Is there one up here on the right?
Want to follow me?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Okay, cool.
All right, gas time. What up? What up? Well, we've made it to MGM. What do you think? The big rodeo's here. Rodney Carrington's here. I got my car. I ran my car for 2.5 hours, maybe 3, and now it has successfully restarted like 5 or 6 times. So I'm super pumped. Tomorrow I get up at 4 a.m. and it's currently midnight. It's actually 2 a.m. Oklahoma time. So I'm getting up in about 4 hours and I'm gonna drive to Colorado Springs. So I'm sure there'll be some fun. Hopefully, fingers crossed, my car starts in the morning. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.